It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Welcome to my channel. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, Tia Topics. Today is going to be another nature vlog walk. Now, I'm gonna see what I could find. Yeah, I found quite a lot of stuff yesterday, but I'm gonna go in a different direction today. See what happens. There was some cornfields that I seen that I kind of want to go walk by, but that's really far. I don't know if I want to go all the way over there. I might though. It's about 12:16 right now. I think I'm gonna go down there. It's probably like a 25-minute walk, to be honest. I don't got nothing better to do. I'm OT. I'm gonna do what I want. Let's see how long it's gonna take me to get to those cornfields, because I never seen a cornfield like up close and personal. So I'm like in the middle of nowhere. They got cornfields. I'm about to go check it out. I kind of want to get a slushie from 7-Eleven because it's right there. But at the same time, I feel like the time it takes me to get to this cornfield, I'm gonna have to use the bathroom if I sit there and drink that. It's like perfect weather for slushies. So if I gotta use the bathroom, I'm screwed. I ain't gonna do it to myself. I ain't even gonna do it. I'll be right. I see the fit. I'm like naked right now. So horrible. But whatever. So the only way to get to the cornfields is on the side of the road, all the way down. Because as you can imagine, cornfields are in the middle of absolutely nowhere, or really in the middle of the country. It's 12:38 right now, and I'm almost out of civilization. Well, out of civilization already, but
A few moments later.
wait, I think I found one already. I think this is a cornfield, but this is not even the one I was talking about. Look, y'all. See? I think I get shot for trespassing. This grass was crazy. Actually, what that part? This is a cornfield, y'all. I found it. How far this thing goes is freaking. Let's see if I can find the end of it. I heard something. It's like bugs over here. This is kind of trespassing. I made it to the cornfield. I ever wondered what corn looks like. See? It stink over here. It smell like horse crap. Which is probably what they use for fertilizer. I wonder how they harvest this. Like, do they just like, oh, what is that?
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
Big ass bug. I feel like I'm in a horror movie somewhere. Ah, I woke the spider web. Let me get out of here, y'all. The ruffling sound of the corn plants, I guess that's what you would call them, make it sound like somebody is like coming out of them because the way that they touch each other with the wind and stuff is low-key creepy. And like I'm a little scared. They're like somebody's about to hop out of the props. So this cornfield is actually not that large. I kind of don't want to walk onto their property because I feel like this is trespassing. I seen a bigger one yesterday when I was driving. Guys, pray I don't get kidnapped or arrested or any of those things. Helicopters! Well, I can check off walking in a cornfield out of my bucket list. I've officially seen and touched a cornfield in my life. 12:51. So it didn't take me that long. It took me about an hour.
This video has been brought to you by DDNT Entertainment.